Welcome, MW over here. We're going to do a bit today about the markets. What are we looking at? Is it going to be bearish, bullish? So we're going to talk about all of these really important things in the market to keep an eye on if we have to be bullish or bearish for the coming days, weeks. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about US 100, we're going to talk about US 500 and the DXY. That's what we're going to talk about today. So let's jump in. First of all, push on the like, please leave a comment below for the algorithm. Thanks all for watching and thanks all for educating yourself to be gaining traders and not losing traders following news events and a lot of influencers, formal influencers out there. So let's first of all start with this one, the Nasdaq US 100. Look at this, guys. This is look at this rise, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 weekly candles. We destroyed it in 3 candles, in 3 weekly candles. This is massive, guys. This is the bubble getting what it deserves because a lot of money is in the markets and a lot of money is in stocks, and it's a big bubble. I've been sharing this for the past weeks, months, that we're going up like crazy, but be very careful when we dump very hard. So on the Nasdaq, we already saw it. Let me put on the indicator, guys. This is the best indicator available. I will share a link where you can see the video of the indicator. If you want to get this indicator, you have to be joining us, the Retail Fam free trading group. The requirements are in the description below. So if you want to join us, open up an account on Weeks or on OKX or MAXC, and that's how you can get into the free private education and trading group of the Retail Fam. We're growing very fast, by the way. It's really madness. I'm receiving so much DMs from retailers. The problem with the retail army and with me is that our YouTube channel is getting buried. So I'm working on it very hard to reach a lot more retailers that are super wrecked, because any retailer, anyone that is watching my vid today, know that the retail army has been selling the top again. We have been selling the top again, and a lot of people, the team has been shorting a lot of altcoins. So the altcoins that you're seeing that have dropped 30, 40, 50%, retail army has been making sick gains, really sick gains, mind-blowing, life-changing money. So first of all, what we're going to do is this support zone over here on the Nasdaq. We've got this one and we've got this support zone over here. So these are the two that I will be eyeing for the next weeks. So if we'll come back to this zone, especially this zone at the 16,000 levels, this is where we might bounce. And why is it so important for us crypto traders to watch the US 100 chart? So Abby, why are you showing us? Because this is the one, if this thing starts ramping up again, it's what will take Bitcoin and crypto together to the moon. So that's when we will be bullish, because it's all correlated. That's why I'm telling you, keep an eye on these markets. So let me go to the next chart. The next chart is the DXY, guys. The DXY, I've been sharing this over here. Exactly, look what happened over here, guys. The DXY went up, came back, retested the indicator, and boom, up. And we also came out of this long waiting, falling trend line over here. So this was also a big sign for us to get out of the markets and to be bearish and to short a lot of altcoins. So that's the DXY. The DXY is very important, guys. So if you're not watching the DXY, when DXY starts dumping down, that's when markets will rise up, and crypto probably also. So that's also a very good sign. We're reaching these zones over here. This is when I will be starting to be more bullish on Bitcoin and crypto, because this is some really strong resistance for the DXY to reach this point over here. So we're getting there. We just have to be patient, and trade it day by day, moment by moment. So that's about the DXY. Let me go to the next one, the S&P. The S&P, guys, this is like the US 500. Let me see. Do I have? Where is my US 500 chart? This is the US 500 chart, guys. Okay, so let's see, guys, over here. The same like the Nasdaq. We're coming down. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. Boom, it went down. So the next level for the US 500 is 8,400. It's the local. I've been talking about. If you didn't watch my previous vids, go watch my previous vids. I never remove it. Tweet. Follow me on Twitter, because all that I've been sharing over here, I have been predicting this before it even happened. So if you're wrecked, you're doing something wrong. You're following and watching the wrong people. Subscribe on the YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitter. You will be always having someone having your back, watching your back, to not get wrecked. So that's what I do. That's my job. So 4,800, the previous all-time high that we broke over here, that's the next level to watch. And when we hit that one, we really need to hold it. If we will not hold it and go below it, that's when you put on your helmets, and that is when the big drama will happen. So let's all just hope, because this was a big drop, guys. This is a drop of almost 300 points or 320 points on the US 500. So keep an eye on that one. So let's go now to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, a lot of people, you want to see Bitcoin. Well, here is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Let me make it bigger over here. Bitcoin, guys, you see the financial market, they already hit the indicator on the weekly, but on Bitcoin we did not. That's something to be very worried about if you are trading crypto or you are owning a lot of bags, because we didn't hit the indicator. We left over here. It was at around 28K. We never came back to retest it. And guys, you can tell me all the formal stories in your life. I really don't care about them. TA is what saved me and made me financially independent, and nothing else. So we really need to come back to this indicator and to retest it, and that's when the bulls will start marching up. We have got the halving happening today, tomorrow. I really don't give a damn when that halving will happen, because it's a lot of crap, and it's a way how to get retailers wrecked in the market, because halving, a lot of people think, well, we're going to the moon. Why? Because the halving just happened. It's a lot of crap, guys. Don't believe what you're reading on the news or on the formal shells. Focus on what's right in front of you. This is what is right in front of you. That's the chart over here. That's what you have to eye. So for now, I've shared it in my previous vids. Also, we showed some strength yesterday against the market, so that's very good. But if you zoom out, it's really the same. 1, 2, 3 red candles, and that's what I keep educating you guys. Do you now understand why that Nasdaq and the US 500 is so important for us to chart and to follow on the DXY? It's because Bitcoin just follows like a little puppy. It just follows like a little puppy, because these 3 red candles on the Nasdaq and on the US 500, when you zoom out on the weekly, it's just the same. It's the same. So for now, be very careful, because there is a big probability that we might dump down to the indicator, and when we dump down, there will be a lot of blood on the streets, and that's when the retail army will march together with the bulls to make some life-changing money on trading a lot of altcoins, because I'm not interested in Bitcoin. I'm really just not interested in Bitcoin. The only thing thing that I'm interested in is a lot of altcoins. In the free trading group, I'll be sharing a lot of long possibilities on a lot of altcoins, and that's when we'll be making the big money. And for the ones that have got really big portfolios and are trading leverage, well, Bitcoin, this might be the next point to be very bullish and to start opening up a lot of longs. So for now, we're just going after it just day by day. Also, let me put it on the daily. As you guys can see, hold, we lost it, and that's when everything went down. And you know, I can't repeat myself enough. As long as we're under the indie, be bearish, no matter what halving, whatever is going on, because if the halving would be really that bullish, we would be above the indicator and not below it. So guys, push on the like, show some love. If you want to join the private, there's a link below. DM me on X your UID number when you fulfilled your requirements, when you're trading, active trading, funding. If you are opening an account and just funded it, send me a message with your UID number also, because I will send you the code for the MW indicator before you trade. Because when you trade, you first of all need to know how to trade, and you can check a lot of vids. My last vid, there's a link going to pop up right now at this moment, and I will show you there how to add the indicator to your chart and how to use and how to navigate, because you can own the indicator, but if you don't know how to leverage trade or how to navigate or how to trade it, you'll be losing money. You need to be educated. And in the free private group, there is a trading course for now at vid number 6, and those are 6 golden vids for people that want to learn how to make money in trading, leverage trading. Have a nice one. Thank you very much. Show some love, push on the like, and bye bye.